We will study Vibhakti Tatpurish Samas in detail. First one is Dvitiya Tatpurish Samas. When Shrit, Ashrit, Gata, Apanna, Atita, Prapta are Uttarpad or second constituent, then the first word or noun is kept in Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam. Here, Ashrit and Shrit means resorted to. Gata means gone. Atit means beyond. Prapta means obtained or reached. Apanna means obtained. Now we will see examples given in the fourth column. Krama praptaha is samastapadam. In this example, praptaha is dhatu sadit visheshanam and it is from the list of Uttar Padanam Avalihi given in the third column. So the first word Kram is kept in Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam and it will be Kramam and Samasik Shabd will be Krama Praptaha. Next example is Bhumi Gataha and Bhugataha. In these two examples, Gataha is Dhatu Sadit Visheshanam and Gataha is given in the third column. So Pratham Shabdaha or first word is kept in Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam and it will be Bhumim Gataha and Bhuvam Gataha. First example is Shala Gamanam. It means going to school. This two is indicated by Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam. That's why Shalam is in Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam. In Krishna Shritaha, the second constituent is Ashritaha. And in Gunatitaha, the second constituent is Atitaha. Ashrit and Atit are present in third column. That's why the first word is kept in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Krishnam is Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam and Gunan is Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Next example is Sukhapannaha. In this example, Apannaha is second constituent and this is present in the third column of Uttar Padanam Avalihi. That's why Sukham is in Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam. Now we will study Tritiya Tatpurush Samasaha. In this compound, the first word or the first constituent having the sense of an agent or Kartruvachakaha or instrument of action Karanvachakaha is often compounded with Dhatu Sadit Visheshanam. In Dhan Sampannaha, Sampanna is second constituent. In Buddhihinaha, Hinaha is second constituent. Sampanna means rich, Hinaha means without. In Charana Vikalaha, Vikalaha is second constituent. Charana Vikalaha means a lame person. Vikal means defective. Sharkara Mishritaha. In this, Mishritaha is second constituent. In Chinta Sama, Sama is second constituent. In Badara Sadrushaha, Sadrushaha is second constituent. In Varna Mishritaha, Mishritaha is second constituent. In Dhanadyaha, Adyaha is second constituent. All these second constituents are present in the third column of Uttar Padanam Avalihi. That's why the first constituent has been kept in Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam. This Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam indicates the meaning with or by or due to. Now we will see each and every example in detail. Dhana Sampannaha, the vigraha of this Dhan Sampannaha is Dhanena Sampannaha, means rich by wealth. Buddhihinaha, Buddhyahinaha, means without intellect or intelligence. Buddhya is Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam of Buddhi. धनेन इज तृतीया विभक्ति एकवचनम ऑफ धनम. चरणविकलः, चरणेन विकलः. चरणेन इज तृतीया विभक्ति एकवचनम. शर्करा मिश्रितः. दिस इज शर्करा इज आकारांत शब्दः like mala. Malaya is tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam. Here sharkaraya is also tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam. Sharkaraya mishritah. Chintaya, chinta is also feminine word. That's why chintaya is tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam. Chintaya sama. Badara sadrusha. Badara means jujub. Sadrusha means like a jujub. Badarena sadrushah. बदरेण इस तृतीय विभक्ति एकवचनम. वर्णमिश्रितः मीन्स मिक्स्ड विथ कलर. वर्णैः इस तृतीय विभक्ति बहुवचनम. धनाढ्यः मीन्स रिच पर्सन. धनेन इज ऑल्सो तृतीय विभक्ति एकवचनम. आढ्यः मीन्स संपन्नः. थैंक यू. इन शॉर्ट, तृतीय तत्पुरुष समास takes place when the first word is either a karta or an instrument with which that particular action has been performed. For example, Daiva Rakshitah. Vigraha will be Daivena Rakshitah, saved by luck. Here Daivena is Kartruvachak. Daiva means luck is Kartruvachak. Next example is Nakha Bhinnaha. This is an example of Karanavachak. Bhinna means to separate. Separation was done by nails. Here Nakhaihi is Karanavachak. In the same way, Tritiya Tatpurush Samas takes place when Sampanna, Rahita, Hina, Vikala, Varjit, Yukta, Sadrusha, Adhya. These words are in place of second constituent. At that time, first word is kept in Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam, and while joining those two words, Tritiya Vibhakti will be dropped. Children, you are supposed to learn all the words given in third column so that you can identify compound words easily. Thank you.